Hey everyone. So, the fourth chapter in the book Public Speaking is about learning how to listen effectively when others are speaking. The book starts off by telling us that how, even though we listen more than we speak, we tend to study more about speaking than listening. The chapter goes through various types of barriers that can hinder listening and numerous ways to improve on them. So, the first concept that I found in the chapter and in the first video was linguistic barriers. We could see the linguistic barriers between the two men, which led to a lot of misunderstanding. Linguistic barriers exist when the speaker and the listener don't have a common language that they can understand. A few ways that were mentioned in the book to overcome these are to some extent by listening attentively, understanding the context of the situation, and figuring out gestures and actions that might help. The other two concepts that I found in the chapter were psychological factors and receiver apprehension. And in the second videos, we could clearly see those as a part of personal barriers. Psychological factors are factors that arise due to argument with a friend or someone that you know, and receiver apprehension is basically anxiety that people get when they're said things that they may not like, which can actually further lead to miscommunication. In the second video, neither the man nor the woman could interpret what the other was trying to address properly, as both of them were frustrated, or maybe just because of being in a heated argument in that moment. Conversations like these can lead you to say things that you don't mean and might regret later. In the final video, we could see a lot of non-verbal communication that was involved, which only a very experienced person might be able to interpret properly. Things such as micro expressions, expressions that give off emotions, can be a part of those. I think one of the major takeaways from this chapter would be that listening skills are actually more prominent and important than most people realize. For truly effective communication, we don't just need good skills to express ourselves, but also to understand what others are trying to express. Thank you.